This video is to explain about the troubleshoot option that we have in our POS. So whenever you face any issue with POS, you can simply click on the troubleshoot option and you can clear the local storage. So we have the troubleshoot option in two places. So right now if you see, the session is ongoing, and right now I am planning to add a customer's number. Just a second. So now I'm clicking on the customer's number and I am facing some issue. I'm not able to proceed, or any issue that I'm facing, I can simply click on the red icon that's been displayed over here. This is the troubleshooting icon. So when I click on this, are you sure you want to clear the local storage? A pop-up appears and I need to click on proceed. So once I click on proceed, they ask for the manager PIN, and once the manager authentication is done, you can click on proceed. And now the local storage has been cleared and your POS will get logged out, but your session will still remain. Now you can log in back to your POS and you can continue billing in the same session. Now I've logged back into my ongoing session, and we have one more place where you can find the troubleshooting option, that is in the settings. So when I click here in the profile, we have settings. I'm clicking on the settings. Here you can see quick troubleshoot. So if I click on this, again the same steps needs to be followed. I'm selecting the manager, I'm giving the PIN, I'm clicking on proceed. Again, the local storage will be cleared and the POS will get logged out, but the session, whatever you have started, will be ongoing. So this is how we use the troubleshooting feature.